Alright guys, so we're kind of back here with another video. I know it's been a while since I had the last update, mainly just because the semester has been super busy for me, and also, you know, just really haven't had the time to work on the car at all. I was able to get the turbos swapped out, so I swapped out the 6762s for the VS Racing billet 6766s. So I had to do a lot of modifying to get that to work, but I didn't really film a lot of it because I know you guys have kind of seen the general process that it takes to end up swapping over turbos and installing the kit. So, you know, it kind of was the same process. Removed literally everything, pretty much just had the motor in the car, but I mean all the turbo kit had to come off. Everything was just a pain. Definitely a lot harder to get those bigger turbos on than the 6762s. So I had to grind the block a little bit more, had to grind a lot of other places and whatnot. It was just a mess for me, at least. But yeah, so last night I was able to get a little first start on the car. So we'll show that clip now. So yeah, today I'm mainly just going to be focusing on, you know, probably working on the exhaust and stuff and some smaller things that I have to do with the car. But I'm kind of had a busy day, so not really much time to do much. So I'll kind of see what progress that I can end up making. I know for sure I have to do boost controller still, fuel system, and then also still do the intercooler and mount that up. So you know, at least I have to end up doing that, and you know, I'll kind of see what I accomplish. But like I said, my timing has been very sporadic, so hopefully I'll have a little bit more time. Also need to do the exhaust on the car and whatnot, but I'm gonna probably move it outside for a little bit because last time when I had the car, there was a Black Widow under the car installing the exhaust. Alright guys, so this is a video comparison here of the two turbos. This is the old 6762, a little bit dirty here, but literally no run time pretty much on it but that first start. This is the new 6766. This turbo does have a billet wheel on it. I don't know if you guys can see that or not, but it is a billet wheel. So yeah, so it kind of seems the same size, but I think this compressor cover is a little bit bigger. Also the exhaust housing I think is a little bit bigger. I'm gonna flip it and check. So yeah, comparing here, you can see what size this is. Also I think the wheel actually has more fins on it. This one has 9 on it, I believe, and this one has 10, I believe. So yeah, I'm gonna try to see what's what with it and get some stuff on here.
One eternity later.
Alright guys, that's going to conclude today's video. I know that it wasn't a huge thing, or there wasn't a ton of action in this video besides the startup and everything, but it did take me a very long time to swap over these turbos again, because like I said in the video, it was literally taking apart everything that I had just finished doing and ripping apart the entire turbo kit and basically just having a long block sitting in the car. So once I took apart everything, I had to reassemble everything and start from scratch. But the car's got the exhaust on, the car's got wastegates, has, you know, turbo kit, downpipes, all of that's currently on the car. It did require some massaging in some places, and I can go over that in a future video if anyone's interested in it. But the next big steps that I need to make for this car is doing the fuel system. I did decide to end up going with the Chris 1313 fuel system for the car, so it's using twin Walbro 450s, a very good quality kit. So that's what my next videos are going to be going over, assuming I can make some more progress on it and find some time here and there. Also do the GFB, which is next, boost controller. So intercooler mounting up, I do have the intercooler mounted up on the car right now, kind of mock fitted, so that's probably also going to get thrown in the next video. So yeah, besides that, that's pretty much all that there is for today. So if you guys have stayed this long, thank you so much for watching. Hopefully soon I'll be able to throw this thing on the dyno and see what power that it makes and kind of enjoy the car a little bit. So yeah, you guys take care.